Okay, it's Saturday, the 29th of March. This is your 48-hour forecast for Western PA. We got some rainy weather coming through out there, so let's just get to it. And then we're going to talk about maybe a surprise snow. Now, these are your noontime temperatures, and as you can see, everybody except for maybe the mountainous areas and up towards Bradford here, they've gotten into the 70s by noontime. But you can see it raises a few degrees in the afternoon by 4 o'clock, but you can see up here some chillier air starting to leak down in here by 9 o'clock tonight. Temperatures are still 60s and 70s around 9 o'clock, so a comfortable evening. But then they cool off a little bit. This is around 3 o'clock in the morning. Temperature is basically, 40s right along the shore here because of the lakes. But inland here, it's in the lower 50s. And again, down south, it's still on the 60s, so not bad. And as we get towards the morning hours around 7, temperature's still pretty much hanging around that 50-degree mark, upper 50s in some spots. And just around the waterfront up here is where you got some temperatures that are cooler. Then as we go into Sunday during the day, this is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see there's some upper 60s out here in the Laurel Highlands. The temperatures have dropped a little bit out here in the west. We have had some shower weather. Let's back this up a little bit. You can see it moving in around 6 o'clock in the morning. A lot of it's to the north. There's an ice storm up in upstate New York. But then as you can see, this starts to move through. This is around 11 o'clock. Here's 12 o'clock on Sunday. And as you can see, there's kind of a front here. So there could be a heavier shower through here, maybe even a rumble of thunder. And this takes you to around 3. It's starting to move away from Pittsburgh. It's now heading east. And then it kind of goes away. And just some sprinkles and some showers as you go overnight, Sunday into Monday. And this shows you Monday morning right around 8 o'clock in the morning. And you can see there are some showers right along the lake, too warm for snow, and some showers down to the south here. But that's kind of what it is. And then Monday, we have kind of a frontal system setting up here with some cold air behind it. Now this is around 11 o'clock on Monday. And as you can see, it stays together as it moves. It strengthens a little bit to the east. And this takes you to around 4 in the afternoon. And you can see some thunderstorms down here. But here's another line of storms right here. And heavier rain. It may not be just thunderstorms, but heavier rain. But to the east, it really gets bad. But to the west, that cold air seeps in. Now, this is Monday around 11 o'clock in the morning, and you can see here's a direct line here, different temperatures, 60s down here, 40s to the north, a 20-degree difference as it moves through. And this takes you to late afternoon. This is around 4 o'clock, and you can see it's across Pittsburgh. Temperatures are dropping. Bradford, you're into the 40s. Erie, you're into the 30s. And this continues to move east. And this takes you to around 8 o'clock on Monday night. And you can see temperatures to the north up here getting close to freezing, if not too freezing already. And it's only 8 o'clock Monday evening. So it's going to be a chilly night on Monday night. Now, the Euro AI, which is supposed to be getting better and better, has been sticking with this pretty much for the last couple of days. And I'm just going to touch upon this lightly because it's still so far away. But this is Monday morning, the 7th of April. And if you look to the south, you can see it's literally shows snow into Tuesday. So we'll have to see if this happens. But the runs have been going every 6 hours has been showing this, and you just have to wonder if it's catching on to something or it's being wrong again. It's being wrong. The AI hasn't missed by much. It's the GFS that's been bad, so I'm not even showing you that one. All right, this just to touch upon this to show your interest, and I'll keep an eye on it. Take it easy.